iPhone 16 review, the future of smartphones? New iPhones, AirPods and Watches. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest from Apple. Yes, it's finally here, the iPhone 16. Is this the future of smartphones? Let's find out! First things first, let's talk about the design. Apple has taken things up a notch with the iPhone 16. The sleek, all-glass design with aerospace-grade aluminum edges is not just beautiful, it feels premium. And did you notice the new color options? Apple's giving us some bold, fresh hues this time around. The phone is slightly slimmer than its predecessor, and the edges have a softer curve, making it even more comfortable to hold. The ceramic shield front cover is still here, offering top-notch durability. Now, let's talk about that display. The iPhone 16 sports a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion technology. The colors are more vibrant, the blacks are deeper, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything buttery smooth, whether you're gaming, scrolling through social media, or just watching videos. Under the hood, the new A18 Bionic chip powers the iPhone 16. It's faster and more efficient, handling everything you throw at it with ease. Whether it's intense multitasking or playing graphics-heavy games, this phone won't let you down. Of course, we can't forget about the camera. Apple has really upped their game with the iPhone 16's camera system. The triple lens setup features a 48MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom. Low-light photography is better than ever, thanks to the improved night mode, and the new photonic engine ensures your photos are packed with detail, no matter the lighting conditions. And let's not forget the upgraded 8K video recording, it's a game-changer for content creators. Battery life is always a concern, but Apple has delivered once again. The iPhone 16 promises all-day battery life, and from our testing, it really holds up. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, this phone keeps going. And with the new fast charging capabilities, you can get up to 50% charge in just 20 minutes. Plus, MagSafe charging is back, better and faster than before, with a whole new range of accessories to choose from. Running on iOS 18, the iPhone 16 comes with a bunch of new features and enhancements. The new always-on display, enhanced widgets, and customizable lock screen give you more control and convenience. And don't forget the latest privacy features, Apple is keeping your data more secure than ever. Siri is smarter, Face ID is faster, and the new AR capabilities are truly next level. If you're into augmented reality, the iPhone 16 will blow your mind. So, is the iPhone 16 worth it? If you're looking for cutting-edge technology, a stunning design, and a camera that's ready for anything, the iPhone 16 is the one to beat. Apple has outdone itself with this one, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. But what do you think? Are you upgrading to the iPhone 16? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.